Welcome to meditation. Do restless nights often steal away your precious energy each new morning? Deep sleep is truly a wellspring of renewal. Yet, life's daily pressures often make it feel like a distant, unreachable dream. Today, we will gently weave together a peaceful, soft slumber, awakening a fresh source of energy with every new dawn. This guided meditation for deep sleep, like the most gentle moonlight, will softly guide you into a realm of serene and tranquil dreams. I once knew the heavy feeling of morning fatigue, but meditation gracefully opened a door to deep restoration, granting me truly profound nights of rest. Find a truly quiet and comfortable spot for yourself, perhaps a cozy room corner or a gentle hammock softly swaying. Now, gently lie down, completely relax your entire body, feeling yourself slowly sink into the soft, comforting surface beneath you. Inhale deeply, feeling your breath gently enter like a cool, refreshing breeze, tenderly caressing your very soul. Exhale, slowly, consciously releasing each and every muscle, allowing all the day's worries to simply melt away into the calming darkness. Imagine yourself now lying peacefully on a deserted, tranquil beach with the soft sound of ocean waves gently lapping, lulling you into a state of deep relaxation. Each soft wave carries away one single thought, gently pulling them far out to sea, returning pure stillness to your peaceful mind. Feel the comforting warmth of the sand beneath you, the cool, refreshing breeze above. Your body is sinking deeper into restful meditation. If you are beginning to feel a sense of deep peace, please comment sleep below and share this serene moment with us. Deep sleep is truly a healing current flowing through you, perfectly restoring all the vital energy for your entire body. Now, gently picture yourself standing within an ancient, majestic forest with soft morning sunlight filtering beautifully through the leaves. Sunbeams fill you with pure forest energy, gently waking every cell, bringing vibrant life. Inhale, feel pure forest energy completely fill every part of your being. Exhale gently, feeling a wonderful invigoration spread widely, making you feel completely ready for a brand new day. Walk along a soft, leaf-covered path, listening to the gentle, babbling brook. Your spirit truly fills with vibrant vitality. Feel a profound connection to nature, to the boundless, infinite energy of the entire universe surrounding you. This powerful energy brightly awakens within you, just like the very first hopeful sunrise of a brand new day. Sleep meditation helps reset your natural rhythm, granting you deeper, more restful sleep and truly energized awakenings. Just 5 to 10 minutes of daily morning meditation will profoundly transform the way you experience each and every day. Morning fatigue simply fades away. Instead, sharp alertness and clear focus beautifully replace it, guiding your thoughts. This is a sacred journey of deep restoration. Each and every sleep becomes a miraculous, refreshing rebirth for your soul. Despite life's constant pressures, you can always find an endless wellspring of refreshing energy deep within yourself. Let this profound calm gently guide your work, your meetings, and every single loving moment you experience. Morning energy meditation is the true key, gracefully opening doors to a life brimming with incredible vitality and joy. Thank you for walking with us in this beautiful garden of restoration. Here at Meditation, we support your journey to ultimate freedom and well-being. Please like, subscribe, and share for more peace. Also, comment a wish for your morning below. We'd truly love to hear your journey